Hello everybody. In today's video, we are going to cover a very important topic in learning any language. That's the phonics. Phonics will include the alphabets, the accents, and some very important language learning rules. It's going to be a detailed topic, and so it will be spread across the upcoming videos. I personally believe that before we learn the alphabets, one must get familiar with some words and expressions of the language. And that's why we've covered the greetings and the self-introduction topic in our previous videos. And the phonics going forward will make the language learning now more effective and interesting. Let's start learning the French alphabets. The script, however, is the same. As you can see, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it's written in the same manner, but the sound of each letter is different. Okay, so let's start. Please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the alphabets in French, and you must practice them by repeating them 2 to 3 times and getting confident gradually. Alright? So the most 2 common questions in this topic of alphabets are: Ça s'écrit comment? Et appelez s'il vous plaît. You can see that on the screen. It's called how do you spell that? Or spell it please. So these are the 2 most common questions that are asked in examinations where you have to use alphabets. So for example, when you are asked Comment vous appelez-vous? Which means what's your name? So you'll say Je m'appelle and you'll add your name. So let me try that. Je m'appelle Kanika. So they'll ask Ça s'écrit comment? Which means how do you spell that? So I will say K A N I K A. And that's how the alphabets are used. So now let's practice the question Ça s'écrit comment for some words that we are familiar with. Okay, let's start with bonjour. Ça s'écrit comment? Bonjour. Try answering it. B O N J O U R. That's bonjour. Let's try salut. S A L U T. Salut. And let's also try au revoir, which is au revoir. A U R A V O I R. That's au revoir. All right. By this, we come to an end with the topic of French alphabets. If you think that this video was helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Au revoir.